What we have here is a Casablanca Spirit of Saturn in white and brass. And as you can see, this one features the Saturn light kit. And I have just finally located a set of blades for it. I got 2 of these from Facebook Marketplace a long time ago. A good solid, probably over a year ago at this point. And they had designer gray blades, if anyone remembers that video from a long time ago. So I took those blades off, kept them for a spare, and I finally located this set of blades at Fanimation this past year. And for some reason with the designer gray blades, it wobbled like crazy. It was insane how bad it was. And now it's pretty much perfectly still, so I guess the blades were warped or something. There's the light. It's a 100-watt halogen bulb. That's it on the dimmest setting. This is from 1989. These Saturns are pretty cool in my opinion, even though it's really just a glorified Panama. That flywheel is warped as hell. When I got these blades, they're in decent shape. The gloss is cracking in some spots. We'll just do 2 speeds at a time this time. To do like a high, medium, low type of thing. Like I said, the blades are in decent shape. Gloss is a little cracked on a couple of them on the top, but it's really nothing. They were just super filthy when I got them. Original bearings are still perfectly fine. I got 2 of these. This one came along with another Saturn, and the other Saturn had completely destroyed bearings. It's decently powerful. It's not the most powerful. Flywheel is still pretty flexible, but it's questionable how long it can go without a replacement just because this warp's so bad. I think that metal part where it mounts is warped as well. And what I mean is that until it becomes an issue, I'm just going to leave it. The edges of the blades are still kind of dirty. That's about all I got here for this Casablanca Spirit of Saturn.